networking ang mastoryahan actually. Hello! So I have special guests right now. Mag-networking me. Mid-February, so I think a lot of call center agents or employees are planning to quit their job or resign. Diba? Basta February kay mga people kay ganahan na mo resign because they just got their Christmas bonus or tax refunds. Yeah, so a lot of people, ang ilang impression sa call center is kanang 1 month lang, 2 months lang, short time mo siya. So it's possible to stay longer in a call center or BPO. Dapat lang jud you have the best practices sa imong lifestyle. And I have here with me some experts. And they will be sharing with us. We will be sharing with you some tips on how to be long-lasting. How to stay longer in a call center. Like, or actually in one call center, di ba? Without really jumping from one. Pwede gihapon mag-jump, but at least kanang in one call center, mga 1 year man lang, mga dili pod after regular, kay hawa na dayon. So, it depends. Pwede pa siya. Sige, go. So, we have Lovely and Edrich. Hindi na lang ito mag-mention kung asan sila nagtrabaho para dili nyo sila makita.
Security.
Basta na lang sila sa IT Park. Okay. So, Edrich the first. How many years na have you stayed in the call center? Hindi na kadilimutan.
Yeah. I've stayed in the call center industry for 6 years.
6 years. O, diba? Sige. So, what is your first power tip for those people na ganahan magstay og dugay sa call center pero di jud sila makastay og dugay? Sa medyo na secret.
My first tip is actually dili siya during but before mga apply. Mga apply gani kag trabaho, siguradoan na magdugay ka. Because a lot of people apply for a call center thinking I'll just stay here for 6 months, 1 year, and then they move on. And maybe that's your personal preference, but it would be better that before you apply, you already have a plan, a long-term plan. So that's one. Number two, once you're there, if you can't avoid those times nga demotivated ka, kapoy nagtrabaho, like you wake up, you can't bring yourself to get up and go to work. Just remember, you applied for the job, you needed this job, and just remember what is the reason or what are the reasons that you need this job. Kung dumi mo mga utang, imong rent sa balay. And also, think about the fact na if you're there, because usually sa call center man good, attendance is very important. So, if you're there, you'll get paid.
Bitaw.
If you're there all the time, or on time all the time, you get paid more. So, those are just some of the things that I can share. And lastly, I've been in this industry for 6 turning 7 years. Avoid mga controversy, mga issue, because that's one of the reasons why people leave kay na sila personal differences with other people. Just keep it professional. In the office, think about you and your performance. Just keep everything professional. If you hear people talking about you, kevs, dili na nila problema. If they have a problem with you, then that's their problem, not yours. Just do what you're doing, continue to perform, and just leave everything. Once you step out of the office, hello life. So, mora na siya.
Actually, wala ko kahuna-huna ng controversy na part kay murag ang akong life sa call center kay wala, simple lang, walay drama. So,
And pila ka years?
7 years.
Oh, diba?
So,
Ako said 7 years, wag yung mga problem.
and I agree with that kay well, di na nato mag-chika, no, but na-adjud tayo mga kaila na involved, mga controversy, mga issue, and most of them kay dili good magdugay because every day you will see those people when you're working, so usahay di na lang kaganan mo sulod sa work because of that, diba? So as much as possible, or if there's really no reason, ayun na. Sige, thank you so much.
You're welcome so much, Ray. Si Rhea din akong trainer sa una, katong call center pa siya.
Yes, o diba, bongga. And we have lovely, sige, tip.
Power tip. Sa call center, siguro, number one tip would be to provide excellent customer service. Yes, true. Kay, being in a call center, like for example, may mga irate customers, don't take it personally. If ever naa sila masulti na negative, always remember nga dili na para sa imo. That's basically for murag ilaha lang nagrant lang sila kay naa sila issue or concern sa product or sa service sa company. So I think maura na siguro ang ako ang na-remember yun before when I was part of the call center industry was first na ko nga pag-take on call, first na ko na experience kay nako ako irate na customer, so 30 minutes good nga na kuan ako ang na-stir na ko ang customer kay wala ko kabalo sa una ko siya pa-resolve kay
I was there.
Yes. Kay murag at first I took it personally. Daghan
Hila
siya.
ka?
Yes, kinda ni hila. Pero
Naji manghilap.
oo. Pero syempre with the help of my mentor, diba?
Sa performance.
Na-transfer ang calls na-escalate di ito joke. Nakuan ra siya, nakaya ra gid nako. Sa akong first irate.
Yeah. So that's one thing. Don't take it personally. Kaya kung dili, especially if medyo kana emotional ka nga type of person, isa ra ka syagit. I think I know someone kanang clinic jud siya after, so kurog-kurog ka, so dili jud ka magdugay, unfortunately, kung everyday you dread going to the office kay sorry na sad kag irate customer. So there, dapat medyo pagkakagnaong, pagkakapanit para dili kayo ning ma-feel, no, ang customer
Dapat patay
kay
na
dili
yung
ka.
emotions.
Yes, at least man lang sa work na part, dili in real life.
Old school. Hindi, pwede ipakita lang ako.
Hello, ninjas! Next daughter!